Close your eyes and picture the perfect beach. Sand so white it's like powdered sugar, soft and cool beneath your feet, stretching endlessly in every direction. Imagine the sensation as you take each step, the grains slipping gently between your toes, the warmth of the sun above balanced by a gentle, refreshing breeze. This is the kind of place that lives in our dreams, a vision of tranquility and untouched beauty. Now look out at the water. So clear and turquoise it glows, shimmering with every movement of the tide. The ocean here is a living jewel, its colours shifting from pale aquamarine to deep sapphire as the sun moves across the sky. You can see straight to the bottom, where tiny fish dart between shells and the sand glistens like treasure. Hear the gentle waves, their rhythms soothing your mind, each crest and fall a reminder to slow down and breathe. The calm here is almost tangible, wrapping around you like a soft blanket, inviting you to let go of every worry and simply be present in this moment. This is the sanctuary we all dream of, a real paradise that redefines natural beauty. Surrounded by lush greenery and the gentle sounds of wildlife, it feels like a secret world, untouched by time or crowds. Here, nature's artistry is on full display, and every detail is a reminder of how extraordinary our planet can be. We travel the world searching for this place, hoping to find a beach that lives up to our wildest imaginations. For some, it's a lifelong quest, a journey to find that one spot where the world feels perfect, where every sense is awakened and every moment feels magical. It's more than a vacation, it's a pilgrimage to experience something truly sublime. Standing at the edge of the world, watching the sunrise paint the sky in brilliant colours, you realise this is a place that changes you. It inspires reflection, wonder, and a deep sense of gratitude for the beauty that exists in the world. Among all the world's coastlines, one destination stands above the rest. Its reputation is legendary, its beauty unmatched. Travellers from every corner of the globe come here, drawn by stories and photographs, hoping to see for themselves if the reality can possibly match the dream. And when you arrive, it doesn't just meet expectations, it shatters them. The colours are more vivid, the air more pure, the sense of wonder more profound than you ever imagined. It's a place that feels almost otherworldly, as if you've stepped into a living postcard. This is nature's masterpiece, a place that reminds us why we travel and why we must protect these wonders. Here, wildlife thrives and the landscape remains unspoiled, a testament to the power and fragility of our natural world. It's a call to cherish and safeguard these rare places for generations to come. So let's journey together to a beach crowned the most beautiful in the world. Let's set foot on shores that have inspired awe for centuries and discover what makes this place truly extraordinary. Prepare to be amazed and inspired. Let your heart open to the wonder of this place and let your spirit soar with every breathtaking view. Leave your worries behind. Let's discover paradise together. Our adventure begins now, and the memories we make here will last a lifetime. Whitehaven Beach isn't just another beach, it's a global icon. Nestled in the heart of the Great Barrier Reef, this pristine stretch of sand is a marvel of nature. Its beauty is so striking that it almost feels otherworldly, like a scene from a dream. Stretching 7 kilometres, its pure white sand and swirling turquoise waters are legendary. The sand here is composed of 98% pure silica, giving it a brilliant, almost luminescent quality that stays cool underfoot even on the hottest days. Photos can't capture its true beauty. You have to see it to believe it. The way the light dances on the water, the gentle curve of the shoreline, and the endless horizon all combine to create a scene that is simply breathtaking. The sand is blindingly white, the water incredibly clear, and the scale awe-inspiring. Walking along the beach, you feel a sense of peace and wonder that is hard to find anywhere else. Travellers from around the world come here, seeking beauty and leaving in awe. It's a place where people from all walks of life can find common ground in their appreciation for nature's splendour. Whether you arrive by boat or air, the first sight is unforgettable. The approach itself is a journey through paradise, with the anticipation building as you get closer to this natural wonder. Whitehaven is a living, breathing ecosystem, protected as part of the Whitsunday Islands National Park. This protection ensures that its beauty remains unspoiled for future generations to enjoy. No resorts, no crowds, just pure nature. It's a rare sanctuary where you can truly escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with the natural world. Listen to the wind, the seabirds, and the sea. The sounds of nature here are a soothing symphony that calms the mind and rejuvenates the spirit. Here, you connect with the wild, pristine world. It's a place where you can find solitude and serenity, far from the distractions of modern life. It's not just beautiful, it's a sanctuary for the soul. Watching the sunrise or sunset over Whitehaven Beach is an experience that stays with you long after you've left. This is the benchmark for all beaches. Whitehaven Beach sets the standard for natural beauty, a place where the Earth's most stunning elements come together in perfect harmony. To reach this paradise, set your sights on Queensland, Australia, a land where the sun seems to shine a little brighter and the ocean stretches endlessly into the horizon. Here, the journey is as magical as the destination itself, inviting travelers from around the world to discover a place that feels untouched by time. Nestled in the heart of the world-famous Great Barrier Reef, this region is a living masterpiece of nature. The reef's vibrant corals and teeming marine life create a kaleidoscope of colour beneath the waves, making it a haven for snorkelers, divers, and anyone seeking a glimpse of underwater wonder. Whitehaven Beach stands as the crown jewel of the Whitsundays, a stretch of pure white silica sand that glistens in the sunlight. Accessible only by sea or air, it remains blissfully secluded, far from the crowds and noise of everyday life. The journey to Whitehaven is an adventure in itself. Depart from the vibrant marina at Airlie Beach or the lush Hamilton Island, choosing between a leisurely boat ride across turquoise waters or a scenic flight that reveals the islands from above. Each route offers its own unique perspective and sense of anticipation. As you draw closer, the brilliant white sand of Whitehaven Beach emerges, a striking contrast against the deep blue sea. The sand here is so fine and pure, it squeaks beneath your feet, and the water is impossibly clear, inviting you to wade in and leave the world behind. For a truly breathtaking perspective, take to the skies in a helicopter or seaplane over Hill Inlet. Here, the tides swirl the white sand and turquoise water into mesmerizing patterns, creating a living mosaic that changes with every hour and every season. Whitehaven's isolation is its greatest treasure. With no hotels, no shops, and no crowds, the beach remains as nature intended, pristine, peaceful, and utterly unspoiled. It's a sanctuary for those seeking true escape. Come prepared for your adventure, bringing everything you need for the day. Here you'll experience the beach in its purest form, surrounded only by the sounds of the ocean and the gentle rustle of the breeze. Walk along the shore where your footprints might be the only ones in the sand, a reminder of just how remote and untouched this paradise truly is. The sense of discovery here is unforgettable. Standing alone on this vast, empty beach, you'll feel a connection to nature that's rare in today's world, a moment of pure wonder and awe. This remoteness is what makes Whitehaven so special. It's a true escape, a place where you can leave behind the rush of modern life and find paradise in its most authentic form. Whitehaven's sand is its signature, 98.9% pure silica, dazzlingly white and soft as flour. It stays cool underfoot, even in the heat, adding to the comfort of paradise. The sand's origins are a geological mystery, carried here by sea currents over millions of years. At the northern end, Hill Inlet is where tides swirl sand and water into ever-changing patterns. The view from Tongue Point is one of Australia's most photographed. This natural artwork is never the same twice. The sand is so pure it's been used in high-quality glass, even for the Hubble Space Telescope. Strict rules protect this fragile environment. Take only memories, leave no trace. You're a guest in one of nature's most precious galleries. Visiting Whitehaven Beach takes a bit of planning. Main gateways are Airlie Beach and Hamilton Island. Book a day trip or a multi-day sailing adventure. Day trips cover the highlights: But sailing trips let you explore at a relaxed pace and enjoy the beach in solitude. Bring essentials: reef-safe sunscreen, hat, sunglasses, water, snacks, and a camera. There are no shops, so come prepared. A waterproof bag protects your electronics, and walking shoes help for the Hill Inlet lookout. Don't forget your swimsuit and towel. With a little preparation, your visit will be magical. Be ready to immerse yourself in paradise. Timing your visit can make all the difference. The best months are September to November, sunny, low humidity, perfect for beach days and sailing. June to August is dry and mild, with the bonus of humpback whale sightings. December to February is hot and humid, with brief tropical showers and stinger season. Protective suits are provided. Autumn, March to May, offers warm weather and fewer crowds. Each season has its perks, from whale watching to quiet escapes. There's no bad time to visit, just choose what suits you best. Whitehaven's beauty shines year-round. Plan for your perfect experience. Whitehaven Beach is perfect for both relaxation and adventure. Swim in crystal-clear water, float in the calm sea, and let your worries drift away. Snorkeling trips reveal vibrant coral and tropical fish nearby. Take the short bushwalk to Tongue Point for panoramic views of Hill Inlet. Stroll the 7 kilometers of soft sand. Sometimes you'll have it all to yourself. Families, couples, and solo travelers all find their paradise here. Try ocean rafting or a scenic helicopter ride for a thrill. Or simply lay back, read a book, and listen to the waves. Whitehaven offers something for everyone. It's a playground and a sanctuary. There's a magic to Whitehaven Beach that goes beyond its looks. The vast, pure landscape puts life in perspective and brings a deep sense of peace. Here you slow down, breathe deeper, and truly notice the world around you. It's more than a bucket list destination, it's an emotional journey. The swirling blues, the soft sand, the sound of the waves, all create a memory that lasts. Years later, you'll close your eyes and return to that perfect shore. This is why we travel, to be humbled, inspired, and connected to our planet. Whitehaven delivers this in its purest form. It nourishes the soul and renews your sense of wonder. Magic is real, and you'll find it here. As our journey ends, I hope you're inspired by Whitehaven's beauty. Places like this are the most beautiful chapters in the world's story. They call to the dreamer in all of us, urging us to explore and protect our planet. Share your travel dreams and stories. Spread the wonder. Inspire friends and family to seek out their own adventures. The more we talk about these places, the more we value and protect them. Your passion for travel can spark change and conservation. Keep dreaming of silica sand, swirling inlets, and new horizons. Travel changes us, filling our lives with unforgettable memories. Thank you for joining me on this journey to Whitehaven Beach. Now go create your own adventure.